Guys, naimbag na bigat. Good morning guys, nagbabalik tayo. Dito na tayo sa pickup. Mag-check-in tayo. Door 10. Shipping. Morning. Oh, good morning, sir.
Hi.
I have a pickup here. Oh, here. I have a lot of but going to Home Depot, Brandon, Winnipeg.
Who are you with?
Turk Enterprise, sir. Those are the PO right there. There.
Wednesday at 9 a.m.
Yes.
Hey, good news is I'm expecting you.
Oh.
Bad news, they didn't put the trailer in the door for me.
Ah?
The product is on one of our trailers,
Okay.
and it's not in the door.
Okay.
Well, I mean, it's 9 a.m. appointment.
9 a.m.? Okay.
Yeah.
I can move your trailer into the door if you want.
Probably not.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
Just not an employee, right?
Yeah, it's not employee. Yeah, I understand. Okay, so
You want someone to move a trailer?
Yeah. But I don't know what trailer.
Oh, you don't even know what trailer? Oh, then I'm going to bed.
I'll go ahead.
Sorry, brother. Thanks.
Thank you. Enjoy your sleep.
Oh, enjoy sleep.
We'll get you in door 6 though.
Okay, I can
And
just.
then once when we get it in a door, then we'll load you up, okay?
Okay, so open and back in door 6 now? Okay, sure. Okay. Okay, so door 6 daw, guys. I don't know. Not yet. I'm just going to door 6. And then they just let me know.
Don't you guys take the Masonite loads now?
I'm not sure. It's my first time to
Oh,
pick.
really?
Yeah, it's my first time to pick up here. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, thanks. Oh, buksan ko na tapos atrasan natin door 6. Hindi ko alam kung anong ibig niyang sabihin niya. There. Dry naman to kaya hindi na natin kailangan ng ano. Lights of Reaper. Hintayin ko na lang ito. Hindi naman nagmamadali. Sinasarado lang niya yung trailer niya. Okay. Alright, there. Dito pala siya. Okay. So So, door number 6. Ito. Saktong sakto. Door 6 tayo. Okay, yan. Straight na straight. Straight line. Alright guys. Okay, so wala silang lights. Puntahan lang nila ako dito kapag ano na. Kapag ready na. Alright. Excited na naman tayo umuwi guys. Umuwi ng bahay. Oh, patulog. Tip muna ako. Alright guys, ayan. So, 10:30 na. Alas 9 yung ating appointment dito. Pero ito, yumuyug-yug na dun sa likuran natin. Mukhang sisimulan na natin. Kasi nakita ko yung driver dito kanina, nilagay nila yung trailer nila dito. Sabi niya, yan daw yung laman ng trailer na yan, ilalagay sa akin, sa aking trailer. Yan. So habang naghihintay tayo rito, nakapag-leg day ako ng konti, tamang leg day lang, mga 30 minutes na exercise sa legs. Kasi alam nyo naman yung mga pagkakataon na to guys, hindi ko talaga pinapakawalan Kaysa naman umupo ako dito, mag-imagine na sana manalo ako ng loto. Mag-exercise na lang ako dyan guys, yung 30 minutes na yon. Power na yun Yung exercise nating 30 minutes, power na yon. Para mag-build tayo ng muscle. Sa edad na 40 pataas, kailangan mag-more on build tayo ng muscle guys. Kasi sa edad nating ito, pag 40 years old ka na, yung ating hormonal growth, yung muscle hormone growth, medyo mabagal na sila. Mabagal na yung ating hormone growth. Kaya in order to boost the hormone growth, kailangan mo talagang mag-exercise. At saka nagkakaedad na tayo, we are not getting young. Ang bilis ng panahon Nakita nyo, sinimulan ko ang truck ko nito, 41 anyos ako kumuha ng truck. Today, or this December 17th, which is my birthday, is 46 years old ko. Tapos na rin si Kurdapi, 5 years. So, 46 na ako ngayon. Ang dami ng pinagdaan ng mga sakit sa katawan. Kakasakit din naman ako. Meron din akong high cholesterol in blood. Meron akong gout. Gout. May type 2 diabetes din ako. Pero 3 years ago nung nagsimula akong mag-diet at sinabayan ko ng exercise, nag-less ako guys ng sugar, nawala lahat yan. So see, ang kape ko ngayon, pure black coffee. Pero kumakain ako ng matamis kapag naggumawa si Mrs. ng kapag gumawa si Mrs. ng mga dessert. Teka muna guys, kasi may tumatawag. Hello?
Hi, good morning. This is Jasmine from Assiniboine Credit Union, returning the callback request for Nestor.
Yes, that's me.
How can I help you today?
Yes, my accounting says I remit the CRA for my monthly remit for CRA in my business account.
Okay.
And then she just emailed me. She's saying that I have non-sufficient account in my business account, which is updated July 28. Today is the 20. No, 20. Yeah, it's 28.
So yesterday?
I guess so. And now I check my business account. and there is nothing in there that new transaction. The last transaction that I have is on July 18, which is the remittance of my business account, you know, the payroll. And that from there is nothing transaction. That's why I call you. If you can just check in your end if there's a new transaction pending in my account, because I cannot see it. There's nothing in there.
Okay, let me take a look at that for you. So I'm just going to verify you first to get into the account. Can I please get your date of birth? Okay, so the business account I'm looking here, is it the Lakai Transport Inc.?
Yes, that's the one.
Okay. So looking at the account, the last transaction was July 17th and the check cleared for $687.48.
Perfect.
And that was the last transaction on that account. So the balance there is $88.57.
The last transaction when?
July 17th.
Yeah, that's what I thought too. And that's that transaction, I screenshot that and I sent it into my accounting, because she called me and emailed me that I have a non-sufficient account in my bank account for the remittance in CRA, which is I was confused because when I checked my account right now, it's the last transaction posted is July 18, which is that was a week ago. And then she is saying me that there is a email, she received the email from CRA, a non-sufficient fund. That's why I confirm you there's nothing in there.
No, that check cleared.
Yeah, that's what I
cleared. There was enough funds in that account when that check cleared.
Yeah, there's enough fund in my business account, and CRA, that's weird, you know.
Yeah.
Probably different account, or they made a mistake sending something into my account, which is I already cleared, and you confirm that, right? You are the business ECU, right? The bank.
Yeah. The check definitely cleared the account, and there was enough funds for that.
There is enough fund, yeah, because we always left enough fund in our account. So that's the only thing that I call you, and I have to call my accounting manager again, and I tell her that maybe CRA made mistake, because since I call you, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Okay, all right. Then at least in your end as bank, it's clear.
Yeah, it cleared for sure.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for calling us in a Boeing Credit Union.
Yes, bye-bye now.
Day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Kasi ito nga yung problema ko. Problema nga kami ni Mrs. Bakit nagkaroon kami ng non-sufficient account na galing sa CRA dahil sa remittance ng business namin, which is that's kind of weird. I don't know what's going on with CRA these days. Ngayon, tatawagan ko ngayon yung aking accounting.
Good afternoon, making your bank account.
Yes, may I speak to Raprit, please?
One moment. Hi dear, this is Rajpreet speaking.
Yes, Raprit, it's Lakai Transport here.
Yes, hi.
I call the bank, my ACU.
Okay.
And then she confirmed it that there is no NFS in my account.
Okay.
There is no non-sufficient fund in my account because we always left enough money to pay the CRA.
Okay.
Yeah, so
No problem. Let me just talk to my manager regarding this and then I'll give you a call back.
yeah, it's kind of weird, right?
Yeah, it is weird.
It is weird.
I don't know what CR is doing,
Yeah,
so
so-
it's they are always weird. So
They're always weird, yeah. So okay, let me now call me.
For sure.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Have a blessed day. Bye-bye. Alright, guys, ewan ko. Hindi ko maintindihan. Ito nga yung inaano. Ito nga yung problema namin ni Mrs. Bakit nagkaganon na non-sufficient account kami sa aming business account, which is may pera naman doon na iniiwan kami para sa remittance buwan-buwan. Kasi guys, tulad ng sinasabi ko sa inyo, meron akong company, which is Lakay Transport, at bilang company, ako rin yung CEO ng company ko, at ako rin yung driver nito, nagpapatakbo, pinapasahod ko ang sarili ko galing sa aking company, which is nagbabayad ako ng tax monthly sa aking sweldo. Ganon din naman yung aking company, kung magkano yung tax ko, ganon din yung tax na inilalagay niya doon, yung CPP, yun, dinadagdagan niya, inire-remit niya yan sa CRA. Which is yung accounting namin na tracking ang nagre-remit. Binabayaran namin sila ng monthly. No? Ngayon, nagkaroon daw sila, ipa-plus ko sa screen nyo yung kanilang non-sufficient account na galing sa CRA, which is Lakay Transport, na hindi maintindihan bakit nagkakaganyan ngayon ng CRA. Bakit maniningil sila ng sasabihin nila non-sufficient account ang isang business account which is may pera naman. It's weird, you know. Kasi bakit kamo lagi kaming merong pera doon para sa mga bayarin na yan? Kasi kapag na-miss mo yun guys, ang pagbayad sa CRA, meron kasi siyang interest charge na naman. Kunwari, so ang binabayad namin dito monthly, which is monthly na binabayad namin doon sa CRA, ito tumatawag ulit. Hello?
Hi, Nestor. This is Raj calling again.
Yes.
Yes, I just talked to my manager. She said like we should wait until next month. Like it can take time to update. And she asked just keep checking your bank transactions. And from my end, I will also keep checking like the CRA if they update anything. And then we can wait for the bank statement for July.
Okay, sure, for sure.
Still we have like time until August 10.
Okay.
So it's not a big deal. Like we will wait.
Oh yeah. Okay, so from now for now, so you're not planning to take 2 months payment, right?
Yeah, no, I will not do anything like right now because we still have like 11 days.
Okay.
So we will just wait. Like you can just keep checking like your bank transactions, and from my end, I'll just keep checking the CRA as well.
Okay, let me know if you're going to submit again to CRA
Yeah,
so
for
that I can fund my business account in there, okay?
Okay, yeah, for
Okay,
sure.
we will wait for the update. Maybe some mistakes, CRA made mistakes because
Yeah,
they're just
probably.
people too.
I know.
Yeah, but we are people too, right? We made mistakes.
Exactly.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. I understand. Yeah.
All right.
All right. Well,
Okay, bye-bye.
have a good day. Bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Yan, tulad nga ng sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, na-clear ng bank yung aking ang aking remittance which is remittance namin is 687.48. Ayan guys, na-clear yan ng bank, tinawagan nga natin. Tulad nga ng madalas ko sinasabi, we are not perfect. Nagkakamali rin tayo. Kita nyo, ultimo CRA nagkakamali rin siguro. Ultimo, kasi tao lang din naman yung mga taga CRA. Baka hindi pa na-update yung kanilang system doon. Ewan ko. Sana naman hanggang doon lang. Huwag naman sanang ma-hack, you know. At yung mga ibinabayad ng mga tao napunta na sa isang hacker, paktay tayo. Tapos tayo nito. That's weird. Weird talaga 'yun. Pero sabi nga, tao lang din naman, nagkakamali. Antayin lang natin guys. But anyway, ito tinitira na nila. Mamaya alis na tayo. So bale, ang Boss Darrell yung... Okay, so meron akong isang pickup dito sa Calgary. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5 delivery. So kung magkanong bayad, ang isang pickup 50, ang delivery 50. So 5 bali 6 kamo na lang. So 300 na naman 'yon. Maganda-ganda yung ano nito, maganda-ganda yung ang pickup nito, delivery nito. 5 pickup, 5 delivery, isang pickup dito, 5 delivery. So 6 pickup, 50. Uy, tapos na. Pupuntahan ko lang guys. So tara, let's go. Tara guys. Dan! Ay, pinakakababaeng Pilipino pala to eh. Kumusta?
Vlogger ka.
Vlogger, small time vloggeran lang.
Sa'yo, pre.
Mabuti naman.
Pangalan mo?
Lakay Tracker sa YouTube.
Ay, ano ka? Ilocano?
Uwan. Oh, Ilocano ka ba?
Tatay ko, Ilocano.
Tatay mo Ilocano. Dito na lahat? Okay.
US ka pa galing yan, pre.
Hindi ngayon galing lang ako Winnipeg. Deliver dito kagahapon sa may Wagonwell tapos
Nakabase.
Winnipeg. Nice to meet you. Ano pangalan mo?
Rick, pare.
Rick. Okay.
Lakay.
Lakay Tracker. Okay.
Lakay Tracker.
Tignan mo na ako sa YouTube.
Ayos yan, pre.
Okay, shout out mo na misis mo. Sige. So salamat no. Okay na, pwede ko nang tanggalin.
Upload mo yan.
Oo, upload ko. Tignan mo. Okay. So, pwede ko nang i-mob?
Ayos na.
Sige, salamat kabayan.
Ingat, pre.
Okay.
Ingat.
Guys, nakamit na naman tayo ng kababayan. So, ito, isang bugkos na papel. Tara na, para sa ganun retratan na. Lagay ko nga sa ano. Nagbawas na ng 1 oras. Edit. Uy, may edit. Lagay ko sa sleeper. Para sa ganun bumalik ng 12 hours pa yun. Ayan, 12:27. Kaganina 11 hours, di ba? 11 hours na tayo kaganina ngayon. Papakrudo pa pala ako, ubos na. Paubos na. Tara. Salamat kababayan. Salamat. Ako konti lang, ayos. Kalahati lang para mabilis ako.
Dito lang ako rin sa Calgary. Siyempre, ingat.
Salamat, ikaw din. Nice to meet you.
Balik mo, punta ka dito.
Sige, alright, guys, tara. Kalahating trailer lang, retratan na to. Dry naman eh. Alright guys. So, saan ba tayo dapat pupunta? Brandon. $18. Okay guys, tara. Alright guys, Red Grip Alberta. Meron pa tayo siyam na oras. Abot guys tayo sa sa Brandon. Ewan ko. Bukas ang delivery natin si Brandon alas 10. Kailangan natin ratratin ngayon para sakto-sakto. Alas 10. Diretso na ako sa dideliveran ko para bukas. Para wala na tayong ano pa? Puntahan pa. Red Flag tapos Medicine Hat. Ang expected ko talaga na pagpipikapan ko dapat guys, yan, dito sa Red Cliff yun, yung building na yan. Madalas natin pinagpipikapan, away ng Winnipeg. Ngayon doon tayo sa Calgary rin pinag-pick up, which is okay rin naman, wala namang problema kasi maganda rin naman yung revenue. Tapos sa isang pick up, 5 drop, so bali 6 na 50, 300. At magaan pa itong pangarga natin, kalahating trailer lang. Now, Medicine Hat, Gas City. Medicine Hat, di ba dapat ano guys? Medicine City? Hindi, Medicine Hat, Gas City. Balik tayo rito. Uwi na ng Winnipeg. Parang ano guys, parang pagka uwi ka ng Winnipeg, parang gusto mo nang paliparin yung sasakyan, makauwi ka lang dahil sa excited. Pero hindi naman pwede, hanggang doon lang naman tayo sa gustong paliparin. Yung speed limit dito guys 110 km. Ang truck ko naka-lock in lang sa 105 km. Kahit anong apak mo hindi nasosobra doon. Welcome to Medicine Hat, Gas City, Canadian Badlands. ko na yung pag-exercise ko kanina. Wala na, hindi na ako ihinto para mag-exercise pa. Patratan na to. Patratan. Dahil pulis retratan na naman yung pulis Naragas May aksidente yata. Alright guys, ayan. Meron pa tayong 3 hours driving. 185 miles. Pinul ko na tong takbo ko. Pumapalo na ako 105 km per hour. Pero ang speed limit naman dito is 110. So bali ang oras is alas 9 na. 3 oras pa. Alas 12 ng gabi tayo makakarating ng Brandon, which is yun yung unang delivery natin bukas, and the rest is sa Winnipeg na. Ayan. Tuloy-tuloy lang ako guys. Yun yan, nangyari nga yun ganun sa CRA. Hopefully ma-trace din o ma-update ng CRA yung account namin para sa ganun hindi kami magdoble magbayad kasi sayang din naman. Hopefully pero update na lang tulad ng sabi ng accounting namin. Antayin na lang natin mga isang buwan kung mag-update o magbibigay pa ulit sila ng notice na sufficient pa yung account namin. Ayan guys, ayan talaga ang magpatakbo ng negosyo guys. So paano guys, putulin ko na vlog ko. Tuloy-tuloy na ako mag-drive. Total naman hapon na. Mamaya gagabihin na ako. Wala rin naman na tayo makikita. Bukas is ang trabaho natin is delivery tayo maghapon hanggang Winnipeg bago tayo pumunta sa safety o bago natin pa safety ang truck. Guys, thank you for watching. Mag-ingat kayo lagi. I love you all guys. Peace out guys. Bye bye.
Lakai Tracker.